So in this problem here, we have instruments on a ship that collect readings of the ship's velocity, v, in kilometers per hour over a 5-hour interval. We want to estimate the distance traveled. Well, here is our table, and I've taken the liberty to make a graph out of it. And so if the velocity is on my y-axis and time is horizontal, the distance is the area underneath here. But my problem is I don't know what's happening between 0 and 1 and 1 and 2. It's possible that it could be doing this kind of thing, the velocity, and then the distance is really going to be small, but we don't actually know. And so that's why it's going to be approximate, but it's reasonable to assume that it is doing some kind of a smooth kind of transition. And so what I can do is I can put trapezoids underneath here and use the trapezoid rule to estimate the distance traveled. So I'm going to pull in the trapezoid rule here. And so in order to use the trapezoid rule for this approximation, I know that the area, which is equal to the distance, is going to be 1/2. My interval h is going to be, in this case, is going to be 1. So this delta x is 1 times 1 times, and now the first value here, the y value here, is going to be 12, plus the last value for y5, the last one is 15, plus, and then it's 2 times all these values in the middle. So 14 plus 17 plus 21 plus 22. And if I do this calculation here, that is going to find me the approximate area. And so if I go 0.5 times 12 plus 15 plus 2 times 14 plus the 17 plus the 21 plus the 22, close the parentheses up, and just double checking, I'll hit enter, we'll see what we get. And so what it says is my distance is 87.5 kilometers, is approximately what I've done over the time. And if I think about, these are all mostly under 20 approximately. 20 times 5 is 100, and so I'm in the ballpark. It seems like a reasonable estimate.